Okay lads, welcome to orthographic projection. I'm going to work on something that we did last year, which is orthographic projection, where we're taking the front view, side view and end view of an object. Now, I want to record it here, and for some reason it won't do that. So hopefully it'll move now. Yes, so here we are. Here is a set of steps. You can see that the basic dimensions are 120 by 110 by 60 high. So we're going to be looking to draw the elevation A, the end view B, and the plan C. So we're going to start with a basic line that's 110 long. And you can see it's black, so it's a real line. And then a black line up here, can you guess what it is? It's 60. And you'll see that there. And then we'll complete the box. Now there's a grey line, so it's a construction line, and another construction line until we finish off some of our dimensions. So command 20, draw that line, then fill that one in, and then we have that. And you can see I've shaded it there, it's red, and that's what we'll see. And then on the right hand side you'll see 15, 15 and 15 for the steps, and I'll just fill those in. Finally like that. Note that they're black, so they're real. So this is the view A as we're looking in. So I'll heavy in this final one, and I've got that. And I get corresponding colours from down below, the brown, the purple and the blue as that. Now that is our elevation. Elevation A is what we're looking for. Now, end view will be over to the left, because I'm looking in from the right hand side, the view will appear on the left. So that length is going to be 120 there. So it'll be the same height, okay? So the slope surface appears as a line in the end view. It's the only view that you'll get the width of each step, the height we already have from our elevation. So project that line over and bring it up, because the end view is going to be the same height as the elevation. So I come over like that, 40 mils. You can see where I get the 40, that's the 40 there. And that remaining dimension is 80, and that C is that line. Now we're looking in from here, bear in mind, so we're going to keep going. I will heavy that in, and that line is that line. So I'll project across nice light lines from my steps, bring it across like that, and I'll bring over, and you can see that the steps stop at the sloping line. The top step, drop it down. The next step will be there, coming down towards the second last step there, coming over to our sloping line and dropping a vertical line down, and there we have the end view. So I just shaded in there, and I'll shade in the three-dimensional view in a moment to make it, there you have it, so yellow and blue. So, yellow and brown, sorry. So there we have the elevation and the end view. Now the plan is always below the elevation, and we can project down 45 degrees. So you need your 45 degree set square for this. But anyway, drop that down. We're projecting it at orthographic projection. So we're projecting down. So I can bring these lines down there like that, and I bring them all down at 45 degrees. Remember, only 45 degrees works for this, because that dimension 40 is going to project 40 down here. That dimension 20 or whatever it is going to be the same dimension as we bring it down. I bring it down there, and finally there. Now, that distance here is 120, because we projected 45 degrees. It only works for 45 degrees. So there's 40 and 80, as I said. Just for perfect projection, bring these lines over. Now, when I'm doing this, lads, you can repeat it again and again and again, which is handy, and I suggest you do that. So we're looking down from the top here. So we're going to see that here on the left side. We're going to see the sloping distance. We're going to see the top step. We're going to see that and that. So I'll bring that line down there. Now, overall, it's going to be 120. Right? And we can shade it in when we want to, but I'll bring the steps over. Start bringing them. There is the first step. That, as you can see here, bring it down, down, first step. Let's put in the second step. Okay, down, down, second step. Last step now, there, and bring it across. That's what you'll see. I can heavy in the sideline, there like that, and just shade it in then. And that is that one. Here's your elevation, your plan, and your end view. Okay, I'm going to pause it at that, lads, because that is the first one. So,